Assalamu alaikum students. In exercise number 17.1 we shall learn to construct different triangles. First of all, we are going to construct a triangle whose lengths of three sides are given. You can see measurement AB is equal to 3.2 centimeters, measurement BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters, and measurement CA is equal to 5.2 centimeters. So let's start our work. First of all, I will take the line segment AB 3.2 centimeters long. AB 3.2 centimeters long. On the other hand, write the step number 1. Take line segment AB 3.2 centimeters long. It's our first step. Now adjust a compass at the width 4.2 centimeter, which is the length of BC. 4.2 centimeters for side BC. First of all, I will write here the end points as A and B, 3.2 centimeters. Now with center B, I have the point B. With center B and radius 4.2 centimeters, mark an arc. With center B and radius 4.2 centimeters, mark an arc. And note down the step number 2. With center B and radius means the width of compass, and the radius 4.2 centimeters, comma, mark an arc. Now move to step number 3. Next measurement is 5.2 centimeters, which is the length of CA. Now adjust the compass for 5.2 centimeters, and with center A keep the needle of the compass at A and mark an arc for 5.2 centimeters, which cuts the previous arc at point C. It is point C. Now note down the step number 3. With center A and radius with center A and radius 5.2 centimeters, comma, mark an arc, which is the second arc, mark an arc to cut the previous arc or the first arc, to cut the first arc at point C. Now next step is joining of the points. Join the point C to A and B respectively. Join point C to A and then to B. We can note down this step like this. Number 4. join C to A and B respectively. Now triangle is formed. We just have to note down the measurements. Measurement BC was 4.2 centimeters and measurement CA was 5.2 centimeters. Our triangle is formed. On the same pattern, you have to construct the part 2, in which 3 sides of triangle are given. Allah Hafiz.